Hi everybody, for this week video I present you my neck warmer. Easy one made on can't remember the name. Prym Maxi 44 needle knitting machine. First we cast on by the darker needle, one in the front, one in the back for the first row, till we reach the yarn feeder. There. Very important to go loose, not too tight for your first row when you're doing by hand like this. And then you put it in the yarn feeder, and then you will crank very slow, because this type of yarn is kind of tricky. If you don't want any drop stitch, listen and go very slow like I do on the video. I didn't put any fast part on this video. I just cut some part to save time. So that's the yarn I use, faux fur. So you could see all the information on that sticker. It's yarn number 5, so that's why I told you to be very slow and careful for not losing any drop stitch. So I will continue like this. Usually I pull the yarn from my balls, but it was very easy. It was a leftover yarn, it's not a full yarn, so I decided to do that for my granddaughter. She asked for one, so since I don't have the full ball, it will be just perfect for her. So now it's time to cast off with the left yarn I have. So I will use my wool needle. And very careful, and it's not like when you do with an hadi. You have to be very careful. If you move it a little bit, you could lose a stitch. So you go put your tip of yarn needle like this, crank it very slow, and grab it with the tip of your needle. Keep your yarn low, don't pull too high to lose stitch. So you go put your needle there, crank it just a little bit, and you got your stitch. So you repeat the same the same thing till the end. So I pull very gently and slow, crank, put your needle right there. Remember, with the Addy, you do a 360. You don't with this machine, because if you do that, you will lose all your stitches. So it's very important to take your time. It's a different curve of learning with this machine, but this machine is good too. I love that one. This is my friend's knitting machine that she left here like 4 years ago. I think she forgot, but she didn't talk about it, and she see it in my videos, or maybe she gave it to me and I don't know. So it's just going there and change the view. Put your needle right in the back of your hook from the machine, and you could grab your stitch. Sometimes you could lose it, so be careful. You don't want to lose any stitches. So grab it. This yarn is so warm and soft on the skin. When you're outside with the -40 like we have here, it's very comfortable to have that. Not the -40 though. It's not comfortable, but the neck warmer is comfortable. So I grab all the stitches. Time to remove it and stretch it. Very important to stretch your work every time when you remove it from the machine. Stretch it, and then after that I will go and attach the tail of yarn that I start with. Just need my needle, wool needle. I love that one. And I go pick, keep a loop between my finger, grab it and put that inside the loop and pull. So that's the knot. To hide it, I will just go with the wool needle, my tip tip of my new the tip of my wool needle and go up and down like this, very close, and pull, and I will continue to hide the rest of it. The furry texture will keep in place, don't worry. And if it's removed with time, just do the same thing and hide it again. Oops, didn't do that well. There, I will fix that. There, and hide it again. This is a short video, not a long one, but there's a lot of learning skill in it. Like for getting your stitch one by one is very different on this machine. The hook, the different hook are grabbing the stitch differently, and the machine didn't have any teeth to keep the stitch on the machine, so that's why you don't go and do a 360 on those machines. You just grab one stitch at a time and crank very slowly. So I do another knot here, and I will do the same thing and hide it in the other stitch. There. And pull. And voila! So you could wear it like this or the furry texture inside. It's up to you. So see you next time for a new video. Ciao ciao! See you next week!